Hello and welcome, Chilli Cube. I'm here on a nice sunny day in Queensland, Australia. Really beautiful day today, thankfully. I know lots of people overseas, US and Europe, are really heading into the winter. So I'm trying to bring you a bit of sunshine. Rightio, I have got this lovely 40 by 50 canvas, and it's a gallery wrapped canvas, and I have taped the bottom to protect it from the paint. So when you're finished, it's nice finished and dry, you can take that off and have a clean bottom. I've got my giant push pins that you will find in a link in my Amazon store underneath. And most things I use. Rightio. This one I am going to do something a little different, giving it a try with a few different techniques in one particular artwork. So I'm going to start off with a dirty cup pour. Is going to be my actual background for this particular piece, but a very kind of bland dirty pour. So I'm going to go with my creamy sand colour because I'm going to use beautiful metallics and more in the autumny colours. So this is what I call my champagne gold. It's 50% gold, 50% silver. Oh, I think I've got some chunky bits in there, which is never good. And I might just put a little bit of gold in it. Remember, this is just going to be my background on the canvas for something I'm going to do. So it's mostly, I'd want to keep it mostly this creamy colour. So just adding in those other colours. Definitely got chunky bits in, but we'll work it out. Mixed media. Mixed media. Rightio, I might give it a real good squirt of white now. Always put some marbles in the bottom of your mix, in your, your, what you call them, your squeezy bottles. It helps mix the paint up. Certainly does. Rightio, just going to go around the edge with my white. So this has obviously all been pre-mixed for acrylic pouring. Anybody that wants to know, there's the recipes for beginners in my playlist for beginners. That's a bit simple, isn't it? Rightio. I'm going to, yes, I knew I had it. Add just a sponge brush. Just going to sponge that in on the edges. My canvases are, well, I think all the canvases that are sold in Australia usually are pre-gessoed, or whatever you call it. So we don't, like, they're triple gessoed. I don't know if it's gesso or gesso when we purchase them. So there's no need for canvas prep, so you could quite, if you wanted a white background, then you can definitely leave it exactly as you purchase it, because it's got a nice triple dipple gessoed sometimes background. So I just want that. I am just coating it simply so my paint runs over it nicely, or slide over it. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. See, I've got a few chunky bits. Just whiz them off, no problem at all. Just enjoy the process. Rightio, there you go. Okie doke. We have a sip of the coffee and then a flip of the cup. So it's simply getting your cup and giving it a flip. Hopefully it's going to come out like a nice glistening, nice, well, I hope it's going to come out nice. That's what I'm hoping. So let's go for it. Remember, this is just for my background, hopefully. But, you know, all the best laid out plans sometimes never go to plan and you end up changing, so that's okay. I just want, oh, that is actually quite nice. The colours look beautiful together. So even as a very, somebody that doesn't like anything too busy, that's very nice. And it will dry really nice and glossy, glistening, because it's got the metallics in the that gold and silver champagne mix that I mix up. Oh, that's very nice. That could well and truly be left exactly as it is. That's very, very nice. Haven't done one like this for a while, so I've definitely done it before, but I can now see that sort of very plain, minimalistic is very, very nice. Look at that. That's very nice. Oh. So just slowly tilt, take your time, don't rush. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just want to get each corner so I've got a nice background. That's actually perfect. I've got a fly in here and it's very annoying, to say the least. Oh, that is gorgeous. If you like very minimalistic, light, soft and floaty, that's your man. And